67-inch Farmer here, patching my ag tire that goes on my back of my 125. You got two slow leaks here. I got a little tiny pinhole here and a little tiny pinhole there. I made a cross mark here because I got to grind this down so you can actually put the patch on there on both of them. You got to get down to bare rubber. I got all this pink stuff. That's all slime. I tried patching it with slime, tire slime, but that didn't work. So now we got to get this all roughed up for the patches. Make sure the patch actually fits on there. Now we got to do some more grinding on the ends here for it to fit. You want the ground part to be bigger than the patches. Make it as smooth as you can, and I don't know if you can see, but you got these ridges, these lines in between, and all these little pockets and stuff. You want them to be completely flat on there. So now we can take some rubbing alcohol or lacquer thinner and wipe that down, get that nice and clean. Then we put our thing out on a rag and clean up the patch area, get all that loose rubber off. I'm going to move the tire like this a little bit so all the rubber chunks fall down. There we go, we got a nice clean surface. Now we're going to take our tire cement and we're just going to coat that with thin coating right on where we ground down on the tire. Now this stuff's cold. It's cold out. I don't know how well this is going to hold being so cold out, but got a little bit too much on there. Maybe I can wipe some of it off. Spread it out a little bit. You don't want big globs of it, you just want a nice thin coat. And now you're going to let it set. I almost forgot to do this, but you have to let it set to get tacky, and then you put your patch on there this way. Like this is top, this goes down on the tire like that. Well, let's wait for that to set. I'll come back and finish that up with it. Alright, I think we're ready to put the patch on. It's still a little wet, but I don't have time for that, so I took the paper off the patch. You want to make sure you don't touch the patch. So we're just going to set this down on the tire and pull that off. Yeah, that's set enough to do this. It's actually sticking. And we'll work all that air out of the patch. And you got a little roller here. You go from the center out. So there's that, and then we have another one called a stitcher. So you go from the center all the way to the edge. Make sure you're going all the way off of the patch, and then you go from the center and go the other direction. And do that again. I'm going to do this in 3 directions, so I'll go this way. Go up. I'll go this way, starting at the center. I'm going to start at the center again and go to the edge. I'm going to go back and do it again. And there you have it. Now we can take a knife, if you can find one. You got the tire sitting right on the bench where the knife would be, but take a knife and gently cut this plastic. You don't want to hurt the patch. You just cut the plastic off, and then take that plastic off. I don't think I can get in there with my nail, but I'll get that with a knife, cut that plastic off, and that will be done. Then we go on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And up above this video, right in the top right hand corner, I'll have a little eye there. If you need help mounting a tire like this, leave a link in the description for that as well. If you need help, if you want to know how to mount the tire just like this. But please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'll get back to you if you comment within a few days or so. Catch you next time.